nice and people are open-minded. I gotta keep driving till I stop caring. All I ever needed was you and I driving through Alaska, the middle of the night.
Let's check out the lake. Vous êtes par terre. Ouais, arrivé. Antoine is learning the ropes of the cameras. C'est... C'est bon. Wow. Crazy color. Why would you want to go anywhere else than there?
I'm gonna keep driving till I forget about Wheeling, West Virginia. All I ever needed was you and I driving through Alaska, the middle of the night.
So, Joel from Norway sent us this. Thanks, Joel. Go, jump it, fill it to the top. Stop. An accident is brewing. But first, you want good coffee. Like this one from Team Wimbledon. Spy. Voilà.
So we went up and thunderstorms are coming up and there's some lightnings around us and some thunders, so we decided it's better to get down again. Yeah, we will try, maybe later or tomorrow. Okay, it now starts to rain pretty heavily. Thunderstorms, lightning's getting more. But I'm kind of not scared, because you can't really be scared on a place like this, right? But yeah, better get back to the car.
Found a refuge. Waiting for the storm to pass. We tried. Well, we wanted to camp up that mountain, but the weather has decided we shouldn't. There's been some thunderstorms. So the safe thing to do is to go down and eat pasta.
So, summary of the last 2 hours is we got up, then we went down, then we went back up, and then we went back down.
6, 5. It's probably almost 6 a.m. We just slept here, and we're going to one of the lakes in this natural reserve for sunrise. And I think you're going to swim, right?
Oh God, please no.
You said it. Come on. When I die, I want to have my ashes spread here.
So it's probably 8 in the morning. The water's freaking cold. And Alex wants me to swim. Do I have to, Alex?
If you want to, it'd be nice.
He says that in front of the camera, I have to.